In this video, I'll show you how you can use the Google Keyword Planner for free. I'll walk you through step by step from start to finish, so let's get right into it. So when you first want to use the Keyword Planner, this is the page that you'll come to. When you click Keyword Planner, it'll direct you to set up a campaign inside Google Ads. I'll show you step by step. So the first thing you want to do is come to click Switch to Expert Mode. And here what you need to do is to just set up a sample campaign. It could be any campaign, so we can choose any objective. So in that case, let's go with website traffic, and let's go with search business website. Obviously this you would just input your website. I'll just do one of mine, and then choose your website traffic conversion goals, page views, turn on advanced conversion. Yeah, none of these really matters because we're just setting up a campaign just so we can get through the process first after you get access to Keyword Planner. Okay, there's the next page. Bidding, we can just go with conversion. That's fine. Click next. Let's go with United States. That's where we are. This could be anywhere depending on where you are watching. Broad keyword match, that's fine. Off. Click next. And to keyword, you can just like pick any keyword. Oh, this is already entered, so that's fine. Just come down here. Headline 1. Yeah, so you just need to import the headline. So I'll just go with this. And you have to enter the description, so I'll just go with this. Okay, click next. So here is where most people get stuck, including myself. So what happens is this is just what they recommend you to set the daily budget. You don't have to follow it. So just set custom budget. You could put $1. Okay, your budget is lower than other advertisers' budgets, which may affect. That's fine. And just click next. Campaign name, just put campaign, and then publish and continue. So on this page is where I got stuck and I spent hours to find the answer. So here you actually have to put in your payment info, but don't worry, they will actually just take the payment info and put a temporary charge on it, and then you actually won't get charged because your ads needs to be reviewed and approved. Even when you put in the payment method here, the campaign that we just set up, like the example campaign, it won't be live until like it's approved and reviewed. And before that happens, we can go into the campaign to turn it off, which I will show you exactly how to do. So after you completed the payment information, it should directly take you to your Google Ads page. So you should be inside your account like this. So next, what we have to do is come to campaign, expand this, and come to campaign underneath, click on this. And here you should be able to see the example campaign that we created. So you can come down here to the edit, click on this down arrow, and here is where you could remove or pause the campaign. So I had already paused it. So once you hit pause, you won't be charged. And remember, this was the budget that we set. So once the campaign is paused, you can come up here to Tools, Keyword Planner, and when you click on this, so here's where you can use the Keyword Planner before you set up the actual campaign, so you can just manage your campaign more effectively, in my opinion. So I hope that was helpful. If it is, let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel.